Well, guys, today we did have the bean head on, so we're going to be trying to swap that out for the corn head. We do have a little bit of rain on the radar, so we're not sure if it's actually going to pan out, but we're going to try to run some. I'm staying home all Sunday and going to head back to school on Monday, so we're going to try to run a little bit, but there is rain in the forecast. So this is some harvest prep. We'll see if we get through. We're, here in Iowa, we're pretty behind. A lot of people are really, really behind just because of every time it dries out, we get rain, we get sleet, just different things that's just making it not suitable to harvest. So crossing my fingers we can run, but I'm really not sure. If we don't end up running in this episode, we will in the next episode because the 10-day forecast, after like 5 days through it, it seems like it's all good and sunny. So hopefully we can get some drone footage in there for you guys in the next episode and get some good harvest footage.
Down in the corn sheller. Shell corn comes out here, cobs come out up there.
And we're doing this to what? Take it to go get moisture tested?
Yes.
Okay, let's get her done.
I gotta do it by myself. I take it.
That's where it's dumping the corn down there, and then it's dumping the husk.
The corn out of the bottom.
Yeah, so I was pointing.
This grate had been broken, so it doesn't work perfect.
Papa StrongFarms out here putting the work in. We got StrongFarms CEO over here, and Trace. Oh, he's a little camera shy. Hope you guys can hear me good. I'm using my new microphone on my GoPro. Hopefully it'll eliminate A, wind noise, and B, the noise that when I move my little stand thing, it would make some weird-ass noise. I'm gonna give it a try, so we'll see how it goes. Here we got Mama StrongFarms. She's repping that new merch.
$22. Have it to spill.
We gonna run 22%?
Don't know.
I'm rocking the old merch drop here, as you guys can see. Hopefully you can see me. Allison's got the new one on as well. Different colors though, it's looking mint. And of course Griffin, for some reason, ain't repping.
Here.
Oh yeah, there we go. Heck yeah, mama.
Guys make up 100,000. Good go.
They throw it in and then we'll throw it in his free head. You buy a new combine. Days. 22.2, what are we thinking, Pops?
I wish it was drier.
We gonna run?
We're trying to decide.
Do it for the StrongFarms.
Our latest merch, we've been trying window decals or clings for cars, so we're gonna give it a shot and see if we can make it work.
We've already cleaned the surface, so that shouldn't be a problem.
All right, how's that look?
Perfect. Credit card delay.
Fun.
Yeah, there we go. It's perfect. It went down.
All right.
Did you get a close-up shot of it?
Let's try to slide it off. One of the tricks I've learned is make sure you press everywhere down, so then nothing pulls up when you pull it off.
Wise words from soon to be Mrs. StrongFarms.
All right. How's it look?
Looks pretty good.
Awesome.
We'll update you guys. Make sure it lasts, and if it is, then we'll start offering these on our soon-to-be website, hopefully. So, stay tuned. Got the 190 and the 275 in here. Combine sitting dormant for the past, well, we got the bean head on it, so we got to swap that out for the corn head, which I think is at the other property. I don't see it. 500 sitting here dormant as well. Oh shit. Ooh. Woo. Country boy. Just me and Trace hanging out, sitting on the bulk bin here, waiting for Mom and Dad to get back. They went to the other shop to get some parts and just waiting on them, and we can get rolling.
We get water in this wet grain hopper from coming out of the dryer no matter how hard we try. And I don't want that to go in the bin, so I am going to try a $3 plastic pump.
We'll give them a plug, we'll be nice. Caro World siphon pump for light liquids.
I don't know if it's going to work, but we're going to give it a shot.
Holy shit.
It says it'll do a gallon a minute. Wow. There's some leaves in there, so you're not going to be able to get everything, but this was my idea. I said to Glenn, we got that pump I bought, and we've never used it.
As you can see, it's just pulling through one end and pumping
See, now
out the
it's
other.
plugging with the leaves, so we'll have to...
It'll keep going. Going up to open the old bulk bin here. Oh man, I'm gonna be winded. Probably gonna set the camera down for this one because I don't have a head mount and I want to be safe, so I'll bring you guys back when I get that all figured out. Mission accomplished. We got that off and a little guide into the bin, and then everybody doing what they can. The other two brothers had to run to the store to get some stuff, so me, Mom, and Pops right now. Dad's getting on top of the dryer to open that up.
Okay, what we're doing here, this is a conveyor in the bottom of this dryer. It isn't an auger with metering rolls. And so we use a jump auger to even the corn out going into the airlock of the blower system that we use to blow the corn into the bin. But this is just a block to keep kernels from bouncing out. It's some cardboard. It just keeps it sealed and keeps it a lot cleaner around here.
Got Papa Strong Farms up on the bin. Be careful! Well guys, I had somebody ask what this is doing sitting on wheels in our driveway, so got Papa Strong Farms here to explain what this is and why we use it.
It's a old anhydrous tank that had lost their labels, so they can't use it for anhydrous anymore. They make really nice diesel tanks. We put the pump on the liquid draw for the anhydrous, not the vapor, the liquid. There's already a tube going down into the bottom of the tank, so there's no suction tube on the bottom of the pump. So we can undo that quick coupler, aluminum or stainless, I guess stainless quick coupler there. Undo that and move it to another tank, and there's no drop tube on the bottom of the pump because there actually it's built in on these tanks.
Get you another shot of the...
And then it's just a pump, and then we got 4 of them. We can move pump from tank to tank, and then we just have them fill through that, and I put a PVC cap over it to help keep rain out.
Okay.
And it's vented through that other T vent there. Works really nice. Been using them for 10 plus years.
10 plus years. So you heard it there, guys. These have been Glenn tested. Papa Strong Farms approves these. Build them today. Jumping in the old V10 Dodge. We can get a cold start on this baby. Turn that air down. Holy moly. Woo! You guys can see this is our air compressor truck. Got some tools in the back, stuff like that. It's just another good work truck. I'll try to speak loud so you guys can hear me. Basically, I'm in our skid loader right now, and we've got holes drilled in the end of our bucket so that we can put a pin through and put it on our bean header trailer right here, and we can pull that around with ease and, you know, be very directional with it. So letting this thing warm up. Dad's moving a tractor right now, and then we're gonna pull the head off and set it on this. Is it those?
Yeah.
So has he got to go this way?
Or we move this. Yes, that little section. So we need to scooch it this way.
Wait, it goes like into here?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Look at that, we got her off. Now we're back in the bean head in here with the skid loader. Well guys, the footage you just would have watched would have actually been from last weekend. We were switching over the header to the corn one, and ended up, I ran inside a little bit to work on my computer and do some school stuff, and by the time they actually got the corn header put on and maintenance and all that, it started drizzling out. So it's in November here. When it's not cold enough to snow, it'll start to drizzle, and that's just really hard on equipment, so we try not to run if we don't have to. So that footage would have actually been from last week. I've been at school for the past 5 days, so we're actually harvesting beans again. It got dry enough, and looks like we have a good 10-day forecast, so hopefully, crossing fingers, we can get a lot of acres out, but gonna go jump in the tractor here. I'm gonna trade off with Mom. She's gonna end up going to get groceries and doing some chores, and I'm gonna start hauling here in a bit, so.